Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tim. This is Vehicle Evolution, and this is not our normal intro because you guys have asked for it and I'm going to give it to you. Here's a bit of point of view action on the Genesis Coupe. And to show you how I'm doing this, I don't have the typical GoPro headband. I've kind of custom made my own setup, which is way more comfortable. Still looks stupid, but actually gets the camera right between my eyes, so you guys literally are seeing exactly what I see when I'm driving this car. So enjoy it. I'm shooting with a GoPro 5 Session, which is smaller than a regular GoPro, just so that it doesn't really obscure my view during this drive. But we are in pretty much manual mode, so we're going to use the paddle shifters to adjust everything, and I'm going to get a lot of funny looks from people wondering what the hell am I doing. Oops, green light, and that person just ran it. It's a shame because he's right behind a cop, but he couldn't have done that sooner, and that's unfortunate because with that cop up there, we're not going to be able. Oh, let's pull off. Wow, let's really drive. I think we're going to want to get past this dude ASAP. I get more comments and questions by far about this setup than I do anything else that I've done videos on, and it's pretty cool because there aren't that many videos out there on how to do this in a BK2, so that was one of the reasons why I did it. The downshifting, we got this truck in front of us because we're coming around an on-ramp where, well, an off-ramp where there's an overpass, and it actually makes pretty good blow-off valve sound, but I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get on it. We got this. One of my favorite things about driving this car is having the paddle shift control over the gears. I've had a lot of manual cars in my past, and there's no disputing that a manual car is a hell of a lot of fun, but this is kind of the next best thing because I still have the control, but in traffic I don't have to deal with the clutch, which is any of you who have been stuck in traffic in a manual car know exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, this Highlander in front of us is totally throwing off my groove. On this car I can control my gears from the paddle shifters. Oh good, bye. Or I can downshift with the shift lever here, which isn't quite as fun. That blow-off valve sound. You have to be a little careful around these roads here because as fun as they are, there's speed traps all over the place usually. blow-off valve sound never ever gets old. It is one of the things that I would say all you guys riding in 3.8s, God bless you with a bigger engine, but you're missing out on that sound. It's there's nothing to compare it to with that kind of pushing you back in your seat from the turbo setting in to getting that blow-off valve noise. I mean, it's just cool sounding. I mean, performance and all that aside, it's just neat. So the only thing that I don't like about the paddle shifters is I wish they weren't plastic. I wish they were a little bit bigger, and I actually wish that they didn't go with the steering wheel. I wish they were fixed like a lot of the supercars are, so that as you turn the wheel, you can still hit the shifter. As it is now, you got to kind of do weird stuff with your hands just to to be able to turn when you're doing a corner. But quick. So this is in fact a 8-speed automatic transmission. I actually read a comment in one of my videos a while back that the person commenting said he was pretty sure that the automatic was a 6-speed, and that is not the case. If you look down there, that says 8. If I drop it back, that says 7, that says 6. So we are in an 8-speed automatic, and if you didn't know, I actually do read pretty much all of my comments, and I try to respond to as many of them as I can. I can't respond to everything all the time, but I really do try to stay connected with you guys. You guys show me a lot of support, and I really appreciate that. So it's the least I can do to actually, you know, engage with you and carry on a conversation through the comments or through Instagram, and I enjoy doing that. So if you have any questions or need help with anything, don't hesitate to ask, and I will do my best to respond. Sometimes other viewers respond with the answer before I get to it, so that happens too. But okay, Sierra. Killing me, Smalls. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little point of view driving experience with my 2.0T Genesis Coupe. I'm actually in the middle of editing the video for the brake caliper painting and the rotor painting. Those are all being installed tomorrow. We're going over to my brother's house tomorrow to do those and the reaction true coilovers. So there's going to be several videos coming down the line, but I wanted to throw something up here in the meantime for you all. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. But until next time, that's all from me for now, guys. Take it easy.